I installed these chandeliers. Let's see how I did it. Remember, if you are going to be doing this yourself, you have to know what you are doing. Please do not toy with electricity if you are not sure of what you are doing. The first thing I had to do was to remove the old lights, which you saw shortly in the video. I installed the brackets that will hold the new chandelier in place. After making sure it is well fixed, I added the base plate of the chandelier, connecting everything securely and making sure it is all good to go for the next stage. Once again, if you are going to be doing this, make sure you know what you are doing. Do not toy with electricity if you are not sure of what you are doing. And even though you know what you are doing, make sure you turn off all of the cycle breakers just to cater for your own safety. Ensure you are safe. And thank you for watching. And make sure to share and like this video. And give me a thumbs up as well and turn off your notification so that when next time I upload new videos, you can see them and learn one or two things. What do you think about this project? Don't you think it's beautiful? And the last clip is from the owner's lens. So let me know if you're going to be